Do you feel like you never know what to eat for dinner? Do you find that you're in the takeout line night in and night out? Well, stop the madness. In this video, we'll be making a roasted pumpkin salad, perfect for the fall, that'll get your taste buds jumping and your belly full. I often get asked as a registered dietitian, how do I get a quick and easy meal on the table without having to be a 5-star chef? Well, it doesn't have to be hard, and salads are an easy way to get a nutritious and healthy meal on the table. All you need is a little bit of a plan and understanding the 3 components that you need in the salad. Always remember, you need a base of vegetables. It could be lettuce, it could be steamed, it could be raw, but always start with a base of vegetable. The second component you will need is a protein, whether it's beans, nuts, seeds, chicken, turkey, or eggs. You want to have that protein in order to be able to help sustain you after a meal so you're not raiding the cookie jar. And the third component, you always want to incorporate a healthy fat into your salad or your meal in order to keep you healthy and satisfied, just like the protein. So you might consider an extra virgin olive oil, an avocado, a nut butter that you can incorporate into a beautiful dressing for a salad or even for a main meal. So it doesn't have to be hard. All you need is the components, and putting them together is easy as 1, 2, 3. And I'm about to show you how in this recipe tonight, which is an easy roasted pumpkin salad.
So in this simple roasted pumpkin salad, you need 4 cups of baby greens, 4 cups of roasted butternut squash or pumpkin, a 1/4 cup of good crumbled feta. I love the Dodoni brand, but you can use what you like. And there is also a couple of tablespoons of the chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of mint, and a 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds.
So here's what you're going to be needing for the dressing. Very, very simple. You can put this together in a flash. You need 3 tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and a tablespoon of honey. Of course, you can add salt and pepper to taste. All right, so let's put this together, folks. You can use a jar or a cup, but I just like to whisk everything together. So I'm adding my olive oil to my raw local honey, which I really very much enjoy. The balsamic vinegar will go right in there. And I am gonna use this salt. This is Callus salt, straight from Greece, because that's the one that I like and enjoy. So I'll put a little bit of salt and always a few cracks of fresh pepper. And there we go. We are going to incorporate that slowly until you get a nice, rich, thick, creamy, homogeneous mixture. And the balsamic vinegar will give it that sweet taste and tang, as well as the honey with the excellent extra virgin olive oil. And there is your dressing. So we are ready to assemble this salad. I believe in fast, easy, awesome, good. You want to be able to get dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes, and this salad will really foot that bill. It's simple. All you need is the ingredients, so make sure to go to the supermarket and pick them up and assemble the salad in no time at all. Perfect for the fall. All fall ingredients. So we're going to start off with our mesclun greens. We'll put that right into our bowl. Remember, eating good food doesn't have to be hard, and you do not have to resort to the takeout line. So absolutely don't. Put this stuff together because you can. So the next step here is our butternut squash. And of course, if you're making this salad for a bigger family, you'll want to double the ingredients, but this is right on time, right in season, October, November, to get this fall salad onto your Thanksgiving table, your Halloween table, any kind of table at all, any time of the year, as long as you have these ingredients. So here we go. We're gonna put in that wonderful, beautiful pomegranate seed, the walnuts, the feta cheese. Remember, my favorite is the Vivoni, so look for that in the supermarket. You'll probably get it at an ethnic supermarket or a Greek supermarket. Market Basket has it here in the Northeast, so please look out for that. And of course, the secret ingredient, I feel, is the mint, because it really makes this salad absolutely fresh and very different from any other salad that you've ever had. And the feta and the mint are just amazing together. So we'll add that tablespoon of olive oil on there just to moisten it up. We've got our dressing. Remember, it's balsamic vinegar, good olive oil, a crack of pepper, and that honey that we've whisked together. And look at that richness. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, thick dressing. And you can put as much as you want on top or on the side. You are the absolute boss. So here we go. This is looking absolutely amazing, folks. I think I'll put a little more pepper. And here you go. Eating has never been easier. So if you want to see more recipes like this that are quick and easy and will get you to a path of good health, smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you also want more flair and flavor to your life, drop your email in the link in the description below to receive my ebook of 5 days of easy, cool dinners. Do it. You'll regret it if you don't.